Jai Sriman Narayana. Those who feels that they did not do any mistakes, and those who feels that we are human beings, we will do mistakes, they don't have to follow this video. And if we look at our Acharya's divine stories, every great Acharya in their prayers, they imposed so many dreadful mistakes on themselves and asked for forgiveness. That path we are trying to follow here. So today it is Akshaya Tritiya, it is most auspicious day. Anything that auspicious and divine activity we do, that gives unlimited fruits. In the end of this video, I am having you all do, we are going to be doing what exactly Sri Krishna Paramatma told us to do. So I request you all listen to the entire video. It might take a little bit more time, but that's okay. First, let us now do Namaskaram to our parents. You keep doing within your bhavana, within your thoughts. And now let us do Namaskaram to our Acharya. Now let us go to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma declared in Bhagavad Gita that I am your eternal father. So now we are talking to our father. We also, with utmost respect, if we have to address Sri Krishna, there is only one namam, that is Sriman Narayana. So now onwards we will be addressing Sriman Narayana, the namam. Now let us say thanks to Sriman Narayana for giving us this human birth, because we did not ask for this, and it was not that something we chose. It is given to us. We have to realize here, while billions of souls suffering through dreadful bodies, we got this human birth. Now let us say thanks to Sriman Narayana. Within your heart you just say that, Sriman Narayana, thank you so much for giving me this human birth. Now let us confess that, Hey Bhagavan, Sriman Narayana, ever since I am born, I have been misusing this opportunity, human birth opportunity, in every possible way. I have done so many mistakes in personal way, if it related to the family, related to the society, related to country, related to entire world, related to myself, that is Atma, related to my mind, related to the nature. So many mistakes I have done, knowingly and unknowingly. Bhagavan, please forgive me. With all of your conscious, with all of our conscious, let us now confess and ask for forgiveness. Remember, on Akshaya Tritiya we are doing this. Really means a lot to Sriman Narayana. Do not do just formally. Heartfully let us do it. We may not be able to remember all the mistakes that we have done, but let us just put all that together and ask for forgiveness. Now, so we should not be doing any more mistakes in future, right? So for that we have to listen to Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana gave us Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is nothing but what he spoke to us personally. And Bhagavad Gita is nothing but, it is a document given to us, swearing upon us that I will take care of you. Let us now imagine if our parents at home are completely ignored, if our parents wanted to talk to us but we never gave them the chance, if our parents wanted to sit with us and spend some time with us and talk to us heartfully, but we never gave them the chance, how they would feel. So also Sriman Narayana feels the same way, because Bhagavad Gita is his all, the collection of his feelings, his expressions, his heartfelt, feelings towards us. He's talking to us, he's speaking to us, he's communicating with us. And he also gave that Bhagavad Gita saying that I am swearing upon you, I will take care of you. Like that he made a beautiful document. But now, in related to that, we are going to be asking for forgiveness. Hey Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, please forgive me for not listening to you. That means Bhagavad Gita. Feel this. Some people may think that I listen to it. Okay, now, Hey Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, please forgive me for not reading Bhagavad Gita. Some people might think that we read it. That's okay. And the third one, Hey Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, please forgive me for not believing in Bhagavad Gita. If we think that we believed, let us now do other thing. Hey Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, please forgive me for not doing what exactly you asked us to do. If we think that we have done every of these aspects, if anyone thinks like that, there is another aspect. It is with a broad heart, compassionate heart, we can do this, we can ask for forgiveness on behalf of those who have not done any of this. My Acharya, Priyajiyar Swami, when he was alive, someone has insulted Ramayana. So on their behalf, Peddajiyar Swami has done Prayashchittam. On their behalf, he sought forgiveness from Paramatma. That is how, let us, if we feel that we have done all of it for others' sake, on behalf of others, we can seek forgiveness. Now we sought forgiveness. Then that means we are now ready to listen to you. We are talking to Sriman Narayana, right? Now, Sriman Narayana, please tell me what to do now. So, there is so much in Bhagavad Gita, but in the end, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, made a very clear 8 recommendations, very strong recommendations, saying that you do this, I promise you, I swear upon you, if you do this, I shall take care of you. That is what he said in 18th chapter from 64th sloka onwards. Now, what exactly those 8 things Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana expecting us to do, we are now going to do it. We are now going to give a word to Sriman Narayana saying that, yes, I shall do what you say. Well, let us do that. First thing, Krishna Paramatma says, think about me. Manmana bhava. Let us now say what exactly Arjuna said in the end. Sriman Narayana. You repeat. Sriman Narayana. Karishye vachanam tava. I shall do as you say. I shall act according to your word. Only when Arjuna said this, Krishna gave him entire success. That is what we are doing now. Srimannarayana karishye vachanantava. For first recommendation, for first thing he is asking us to do, we are saying we will do it. So let us now do it. What is that? We just have to think about him. So let us just go to his childhood. When there was a big tornado in Nandavraj, so huge rain, thunderstorm created by Devendra, all the villagers asked for protection. They begged Krishna, Krishna, Mahabhaga, you are only the source for us. So they surrendered to Krishna. What Krishna has done in that childhood when he was so young, he lifted Govardhana, the mountain, on his small finger and gave shelter to all the villagers who believed in him. And he kept that mountain on his small finger for 7 days and nights without having a food, without having water, without even moving a step. To that extent he did that. So now we are just visualizing that. That means we are thinking of Sri Krishna Paramatma. It is done. First thing what he is asking us to do is done. Second thing he is asking us to do is Madbhakto Bhava. You become my devotee. Let us say now. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanantava. I shall do what you are asking me to do. What we have to do now? We just have to openly announce, say to Krishna that I like you or I love you. That is what is bhakti. Likeness, love. This is called bhakti. So I am your devotee. Let us say that. I am your devotee. Right. The third thing that he is asking us to do is Madhyaji Bhava. Offer all your activities as a service to me. He is asking us to do. Let us now do that. Say that, yes, I shall do. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall do that. For every of our activity, if we keep just saying that Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, this third aspect also we are fulfilling. Now let us say Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Remember, we are doing it on Akshaya Tritiya, means a lot to Sri Krishna Paramatma. So we will be able to continue doing this. If we don't remember for every of activity to do this Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, what we can do is at least before we go to bed in the night, we can just say the entire day is dedicated to you, Krishna. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Now the fourth one, he is asking us to do namaskaram to him. Let us now say, sure. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall do that. So, in our bhavana, let us do a nice, very gentle, very humble, heartfelt namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma with so much of love and dedication and devotion. Now the fifth one, Krishna is asking, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Surrender to me alone and unconditionally. Sure, let us do that. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall, let us say that, I shall surrender to you alone and unconditionally. So, unconditional surrenderance means we should not have any other options. If we have so many options, that is not called devotion. Having only option is called devotion. Only option is called Saranagati. So Krishna is only our source and option. With that aspect, we did Saranagati. Now the sixth thing he is asking us to do is Ma Suchaha, don't cry. He said that. I am here to take care of you, don't cry. Let us say that. Sure, I shall not cry. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall do as you say. I shall not cry. Then, seventh one, Krishna is saying, Srimannarayana is saying that I gave you this entire Bhagavad Gita. As I said, this is my heartfelt speech with you. So, heartfelt expressions to you. So, what he is recommending us to do is at least every day one sloka, half sloka, either listen to it or read it, So, let us do that. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall do as you say. So, from today onwards, at least one sloka we can listen or we can read or we can just have sloka, Like that, let us keep it as a daily practice from today onwards. Finally, eighth one, what Krishna is saying is, keep sharing this message to others because this entire world is his property. All of us, all the souls is his children. So he definitely wanted to get his message to each and every of his children, right? So that they can be protected. That is what parents would expect. If eldest son listen to parents would be feeling so happy if eldest son shares what he got message from his parents to his siblings. So that is what Krishna is expecting us to do, asking us to do. So let us give this message to others, share this message to others. Krishna says, if you share my message to others, if you spread Bhagavad Gita to others, you are the most beloved devotee to me. There is no one who can be parallel to you. That is what he says. Nacha tasman manushyeshu kaschin me priyakruttamaha bhavita nacha me tasmat anyah priyataro bhuvi. He says that. So that is what we should be doing. What we heard, what we learn, let us keep sharing with others. At least every day with someone or in the family itself. Just mention about Bhagavad Gita. Just talk about little bit. Oh, we can just ask, did you read Bhagavad Gita? Something like that. Try to make sure that every day at least once you remembered Gita and talk to someone about Gita. That's all it is. Then we become most beloved devotees to Krishna. When we become most beloved to him, there is nothing that we should be worrying for. He takes care of everything. So for the eighth thing, let us say, Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. So for all 8 things he is asking us to do, we are saying that we shall do. We gave him word. Now you may worry, what if I don't do it? No, there is one easy way. In the same, this video is coming from a YouTube channel, Gattu's Karishye Vachanam Tava. We are uploading every day one small video which is of about 5, 6, 7 minutes, in which very soon we are also going to start Bhagavad Gita slokas. So in which whatever the 8 aspects Krishna is asking us to do is involved there. So all that you just have to do is every day you open that video and listen to it. In which what it is it is like 1,000-day tapas. Every day we learn about one namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. And we learn about a small incident from Ramayana, small episode from Ramayana. Learning about one namam is trying to understand the good quality of Sriman Narayana. He is our Father, eternal Father. If we don't know the good qualities of our own parents, we cannot be called as good children also. So as a children, we should be knowing the good qualities of our parents. So also, as a child, we should be knowing the good qualities of our eternal Father, Sriman Narayana. That is why we are just understanding one good quality every day. And when he came down as Rama, what happened exactly, we are trying to learn. Within that, you are doing everything. You are thinking about Krishna, you are dedicating yourself to Krishna, everything is involved. So you just keep listening to that videos to accomplish what exactly Krishna is asking us to do, easy way. So with this utmost faith, you just offer your heartfelt dedication to Sri Krishna Paramatma, and with Mangala Sasnam, with Asirvadam from Acharyas, with Asirvadam from our parents, we should be perfectly alright with blessings from Sriman Narayana on this auspicious day, Akshaya Tritiya. Thank you all. Jai Sriman Narayana.